In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a Google Classroom for the first time. The first thing you need to have is a Gmail account or a school account that is connected to Google Classroom. You're going to type in up in your URL bar here, classroom.google.com, and it should take you a screen that looks very similar like this one. Over here in the right-hand corner, you're going to see a plus sign here, and to create a new class, you're going to click on this and create a classroom. Since this is not connected to my school account, this is my personal email account, I got this window. You're going to get this window here, and you're going to name your classroom. You can give it a section number, you can give it a subject title, or you can put a room number in here if you'd like. Since I only have one science class, I don't need to add those. You're going to click Create. It'll take a second to create your classroom. When it pops up, you can customize the way that your classroom looks and how students will see your classroom. So this is the first screen you're going to see popping up here. And up here you're going to see your header with the class code right here. And when you're ready for students to join your class, you can click on this little box thing here and it will display your code for your students to see. So when they go in and they click on the little plus sign at the top here, they can put your code in. You'll see a bar here that you can communicate with your students. You can customize your header here. You can pick a theme, and as you can see up here, they have many different topics for you to choose from. I like the one that they've chosen for me here because it has sort of a science theme. You can also upload a photo that you've created, or you can go into another web app or something and create a header that you can use for this. But I'm just going to leave this here. So another thing that I always do when I first create a class is I'm going to go up here to this little like gear looking thing, and you click on it and you can add some more customizations. So my students like to go on and chat with each other when I want them to focus on their work. So I changed this to only teachers can post and comment. There's different things that you can do for grading calculations, and for now I'm just going to leave everything like that. Then I'm going to go up here and I'm going to save, and I should get back to my screen here. When you come up here, you're going to see the stream, which is everything that's in your classroom here. You have a classwork tab, which I use most of the time. This is where I'm doing my work. The people tab is where you'll see your student's name when they join your class, or if you have little kids, you can add students yourself by their email or name. And then there's a new gradebook feature that will automatically build your students' names and stuff as you start adding classwork. So to add an assignment, you're going to go back to Classroom. You're going to create, and there's all these different choices here. So there's an assignment, a Kami assignment, a quiz, a question, material. You can reuse previous posts or add a topic. So we're just going to start by creating an assignment. And I'm going to label this light and sound. And I'm going to give them some directions. Please follow the directions in the assignment carefully. If you need assistance, please ask for help. Okay, you can give it a point value if you'd like. You can change it to what you want. You can make it an ungraded assignment. You can give it a due date. And then this feature, I love this new feature here, so I'm going to create a topic. And so everything that I create for light and sound will fall under this topic. Down here, you can add an attachment to it that kids can download. You can pull something from your Google Drive. You can add a video that you want students to watch, or you can add a link, an internet link that students can click on and follow and read a website or watch a video or something. So for this assignment, I'm going to go ahead and add something from my Google Drive, and I'm going to go in and find an assignment that I want my students to. So here we're going to do mixtures and solutions. So I'm going to go ahead and double click on that, and it's going to pull that PowerPoint in here, and I can let students edit the file, or if you have an interactive notebook that you want students to work on, you need to make a copy for each student. And then when they pull this up, they will have their own copy that they can edit. So in the choices here, you can assign it, you can schedule it if you don't want students to see it yet, or you can save it as a draft if you want to add more things to it and go back later. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to add a video that I want students to go to. So I'm going to click on YouTube, and I'm going to type in mixtures and solutions, and it's going to go to and I like these crash course videos, so I'm going to add that I want my students to watch. So when they go in here for this assignment, they can look at that. And then I can also add like a Google form that I want students to go in and answer some questions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this as a draft so I can go back in and add my Google form. So as you can see, it's falling under this heading here under light and sound. Now, one thing I like about this is I can go in and I can create another assignment, and I can title it Landforms, and I can give students directions. And I can go under here and I can create another topic, and I'm going to create landforms as a topic. I'm not going to give it a due date yet. I'm going to leave the point value there. I'm going to go in and I'm going to add another video on landforms from YouTube. And here's another crash course, landforms, which my kids love, and I love them, and they're very good. So here I'm going to go ahead and assign this for my students. And what I wanted you to see is that it comes under another heading here. So you can place all of your landform assignments here, all of your light and sound assignments, and if you have other topics that you teach, you can have them each under the heading. Over here you can also move this assignment down, you can rename it, you can delete it, and same with here. This one will let you move it up if you want light and sound at the top, so you can reorder and adjust your classes. And over here it shows you that you posted it as an assignment. This one shows that you have it as a draft. You have your topics over here. When you go into grades, you're not going to see anything yet because you don't have any students that have joined your class. So that's how you create your first class and assignments. I hope you enjoyed my video.